How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth and I'm so happy you are here. And I am part of a mystery box swap. Let me just tell you, it was a serious challenge. I will have the playlist listed below. Go check out all these awesome, creative, talented ladies and let's see what they made with their mystery box swap. Mine came from Favi and she challenged me.
Hey, hello. So, this is the mystery box challenge, and I got my box from Favi at Arrows DIY. So here we go. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna open this up. This is for the mystery box challenge. Okay, and it looks like she has everything. She's so sweet. Oh, she sent me some extra little goodies. So hold on a minute. Let me get to so the deal is you send, I think, if I remember correctly, 2 mystery items and 3 craft items, and you have to make 1 or 2 DIYs using these supplies. So, and she's so, look at this. She wrapped everything up. So let's see. She's so cute. Aw, I hope we can still be friends. Only items with twine, and she even put the twine, oh my God, are for the 5-item mystery box. Okay. She's so funny. All right, let's see what Favi has to say. Look at her personalized stationery. She's amazing. Welcome back to round 3 of Mystery Box Swap. How did I get to send to you again? Because last time, I'll link that too. Last time I did the mystery box was a couple months ago, and Favi had me. I don't know, it was just weird because we draw names, so it's just funny. Well, this time I went a little tougher on you. The last box I sent you ruined my reputation because she did go kind of easy. It was way too nice. So, bahaha, fear the crafty shenanigans within. Let's all fear Favi's box. Challenge items are stamped sealed, all items wrapped in baker's twine. May the odds be ever in your favor. Have fun. Favi, Arrows DIY. And then she has a little picture, I think, of me going, oh no. With Favi's box. Mary Beth's going, oh no. She is so cute. Is she not the cutest? Okay, so this is one of the crafting items. So here we go. Here we go, Favi. Crazy gal, you. She does such a good job at wrapping. So I think this is crafting items. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, got some googly eyes. And we got felt numbers. Okay. And we got, oh wow, I've never seen these. These wood cutouts. And it's like, you know, what is that called? The wheel on a ship or something. And then the ship or boat. And an anchor. Okay. And then let's open up this one next from Sweet Favi. Look at how cute this is. She put look at these fun peppermints. Oh, I love those, Favi. Definitely be using those for Christmas in July. Maybe even for Valentine's. I don't know. She did a good job at sealing with her wax sealer and everything. My God, this girl even cut her paper with scalloped scissors. Okay, that's Favi for you. Good gravy. I feel bad. I sent mine to Nancy. And yeah, it wasn't wrapped all nice like this. So there you go. Oh God. Oh wow. Okay, Favi. Oh my God. We have plastic spoons. What am I gonna make with this? Okay. So funny. Favi plastic spoons, huh? Wow. I'm really going to have to do some thinking on this. Oh, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. We have a pet IQ puzzle. Play hide and seek with your pup. Enhance your pet's IQ. Find your favorite treat. Wow. Thank you, Favi. What can we make? I mean, what? Oh my word. All right. Well, everybody, wish me luck. I got to go think for a few days. You won't notice that because we'll be back and I'll be crafting. Or I'll be giving up. One of the two. I don't know yet.
Okay, here we go. I struggled, not gonna lie. All right, so I'm looking at these scoops and I'm like, and of course I'm opening up the puzzle, the puppy puzzle, and just kind of taking a look at everything. All right, so I noticed, look, there's a little heart and it popped right out. So that's what I'm gonna use from the puppy puzzle. The scoop, I was like, I can do something with this. You're gonna see here in a moment. I'm sure you can guess really quick. Well, all right, I'll just tell you. So I'm gonna make a wheelbarrow because I thought I don't know what else to make out of this. Um, I'm gonna be honest with you, not my proudest moment, okay? Not at all. But I did the best I could with what I was given. I don't know. I would love to know in the comments, what would you have done? Because, yeah. And you know what? Every one of you is probably going to be like, oh, I would have done this. I would have done this. And everything's going to be great. And I've been like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of that? But anyway, this is what I thought of. Okay. So I took the ship wheel, whatever you call that, and I just clipped off, those little spokes. And so made it look more like a regular wheel. What I mentioned, I start off painting. This is an acrylic scoop, and this is a really pretty color. It's called salmon from Plaid. I can't remember, is that Delta or whatever brand? But anyway, as you can see, I changed my mind. The salmon is beautiful, but for what I was going for, I really wanted a pink. So I switched it up and painted it pink. Now, these are folk art, and I'm using a medium gray. And I'm going to go ahead and paint this wheel as well as my dowels. You're going to notice, unless I already did it, I had to switch out the length of the dowel. I had to go to a 12-inch size. I needed something a little bit longer because I think the first one was like maybe 6 or 8 inches. Anyway, either way. So I would use a 12-inch dowel. And now I'm looking at the googly eyes. I was like, okay, I can handle this. Once I figured out making this into a wheel, okay, the googly eyes will be right there, in the center of the wheel, whatever that's called. So I went ahead and painted them this metallic brushed metal, whatever black color from Folk Art. And it turned out perfect. It covered it well. Yeah, so that worked out. And now I want to make sure and seal everything. So I did use Mod Podge to seal it all. Okay, I'm going to use this white paint from Folk Art to go ahead and paint that heart. Now, what I would do, it probably is easier if you Mod Podge this first, and same with the acrylic piece, and then paint it, I would think, because, I don't know. I just think it would maybe take the paint better. And now I'm just going to kind of start assembling. Well, you're going to see. All right. I thought it would be really easy to assemble. This was, for me, harder than I thought. This is where I struggled the most. Well, other than coming up what to make. So I thought, okay, I'll just glue these dowels, right below that middle piece, the googly eye, and on either side. Well, the shape of the acrylic scoop kind of gave me a little bit of problem because I had to have the dowels kind of, I don't even know how to put this in words, veer out, I guess, like spread apart more. And they're wooden sticks. It just wasn't going to hold correctly for me. And not only that, I don't think wheelbarrows are designed this way. So I cut about a couple inches off the end of each one of these dowels. So maybe a 10-inch dowel will work just fine. And then I took one of those and cut it in half, so it's about an inch, two 1-inch pieces. And I'm going to hot glue those to either side of this wheel, and that is how I'm going to connect the dowel. It'll be easier probably to see here. So I'm going to hot glue it there, and the other side as well. Now, also in hindsight, I probably would have made these a little bit shorter, maybe like 3/4 of an inch, but it worked out okay, I guess. And now I'm going to hot glue the dowel. Now, I did the first side off camera to kind of make sure I could figure out how to do this because I knew it wasn't going to hold real well. So what I did is I just took a bunch of twine and just wrapped, kind of wrapped those two, the joint or whatever, together. And then that made it sturdy. So that worked out fine. Okay, so I needed to cut a little bit of the dowel to make, I don't know, feet for it to stand. So that was pretty simple. Just hot glued that on. Now, I'm going to take some of this pink color and just kind of dry brush over the white heart that we painted. And then I will take some of the white and dry brush over the scoop and the dowels and the wheel and all that, like the rest of it. And so you'll see that here. And then I still need to use a felt number. And so I wanted to do like 25 cents, 5 cents, something like that. But the numbers were a little bit too big to do on the side. So I basically took the number. I dry brushed it a little bit with white paint, and then I'm going to glue it on the back. So I started to fill it up with some little Hershey Kisses and realized I need a little bow on here. So that's all I do there. I would like to thank Favi and Leah for hosting this very, very fun mystery box swap. And they do this, I believe, every other month. So it's a lot of fun. Thank you, ladies, for hosting this. And please don't forget to go check out the playlist. And thank you so much for sticking with me today and watching me try to come up with this, DIY. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.